Hi there, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll be explaining what exactly is a file system. Right, so a file system is the interface between a user and their storage device. So whenever a user is working on their computer, the file system is what they are directly interacting with, the file system, and why the file system then interacts with the storage device. So the storage device can be a hard disk, flash drive, and a CD-ROM. So why can't the users directly interact with their storage device? Well, storage devices are digital devices, meaning they store their values in ones and zeros. So this storage device I have here is storing the value of H. And in order for me to have actually set this value to H, I had to manually do this. So imagine if every time the users want to store anything, they will have to manually change individual bits in their storage device. That isn't a very good user experience. So the file system helps with all of this process. And the file system also helps with categorizing of related data. So take for instance, we have the concept of a file, right? So we have two files right here. One file is storing one value and another file is storing another set of related values. And thanks to the file system, we can have this. If we're working directly with our storage device, this won't be possible because we'll probably have to set maybe from year to maybe hello world, and then we'll be like, okay, we'll now set from year to another world just like we have here. But that is a very manual and stressful process, and the file system comes in to to manage this entire process. So besides categorizing things in files, file systems also help to categorize things in directories. So directories are a group of related files, while files are a group of related data. Directories are a group of related files. You've probably worked with directories, and the fact that you've worked with it is thanks to your file system. So the file system is just creating a better user experience for you rather than working directly with your storage device. So like I mentioned, the file system is actually managed by the operating system, and each operating system has their file system. So Linux has ext4, macOS has HFS plus, that's what they call theirs, and Windows calls theirs NTFS. There are various other file system like this FAT, the file allocation table, and each of them, they are implemented differently and they have their benefits slash drawbacks. So in the next coming videos, I'll be explaining more about the file system, and probably we will get to implement a file system, a virtual file system that will really explain most of the topics that we're going to be speaking about regarding file systems.